Hello everyone, Barmy Jester here, and today I'm going to be carrying on with the classrooms. So, let's get on with it. Okay, here we go. The kid rooms. Oh, I've been waiting for this one. Is that a dog? What? Oh, we got a little doggy. Hello, little doggy. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Oh, we got a companion? Hell yeah. Go then, doggy. Stick with me. Oh, he's actually following me. Oh, that's brilliant. That is good. Alright then, what we got here now? Let's have a look. Random stuff. What is that? Found biscuit. Oh, I get to feed the dog. Oh, I get to feed the dog. I get to feed the doggy. Let me feed the dog. There you go, dog. Yeah, biscuit. Oh, oh my god. Alright then. What else is in here? Take that. Puzzle. Is that a puzzle?
This looks important. Better keep it for now.
These are puzzle pieces. Okay. Why am I collecting puzzle pieces? I've got 16 puzzle pieces. Alright, well it's obviously for something, so I will keep it. Nah! Oh my god! What the fuck is that thing? Nah, mate. Oh, I shit myself for a minute then. I really thought there was a spider coming after me. What the fuck is that thing? Oh my god, nah. Stay away! Get the back! No, mate. Jesus! Get away! What the fuck is that? No, mate, what the... What the hell just happened? Like, seriously, what the hell just happened? What was that freaking wolf thing running around? Now puzzle pieces. These puzzle pieces. Nah, I'm genuinely confused. Every time I go on one of these classrooms, I'm confused. There's a freaking gramophone thing with legs. How many batteries do I have? I've got 7. What was that wolf thing? Like, seriously, what the hell? I do not understand. I do not understand at all. Chair! Chair's back. Stay there, chair. Oh, okay. Is there a tape anywhere? Is there a tape? There it is. Give me that tape. Superstructure, a brief history.
In 1957, ARC embarked on a mission of global significance, stabilizing gateways to what we now call the superstructure. These gateways, appearing spontaneously and unpredictably across our world, act as bridges to realms unknown, realms that mirror our own, but are twisted in ways that defy comprehension. The key to stabilizing these gateways lies in knowledge uncovered from ancient Dead Sea Scrolls, discovered in the Qumran caves in 1947. Among these ancient texts, hidden from the public eye, lies knowledge that has allowed ARC exclusive access to the superstructure. Our journey into these realms is not just exploration. It is a crusade to protect our world from the shadows that lurk beyond. As we venture into the unknown, just remember, ARC leads the way.
Okay, I didn't want to say anything, so I didn't want to interrupt the video. But what the? Oh my god! Oh, jeez. Oh shit. Did I really just use a battery? Oh fuck. Oh well. Okay, can we turn that on? Turn that on. What are these puzzle pieces all about?
This looks important.
It looks important. Jesus. I was watching that tape and I was about to say I didn't want to interrupt the tape, but I'm sure I can hear something outside. And then all of a sudden that friggin' wolf thing comes busting in. The hell? I'm not even sure what I'm doing here. Apparently I'm finding puzzle pieces for God knows why. Here we go, here's some more.
Is there a
Puzzle
table around
pieces.
to assemble these?
What the hell? It's back, it's back, it's back. Hide. Get in, get in. Shit, shit. God damn it. Ooh.
Bad dog.
No, why can he just squeeze his arse in here? He's just clumbered in. No, mate. Son of a bitch. Oh my god. Oh, freaking hell. Jesus.
Is that a dog?
Oh man. Let me just turn this light on. Turn all the lights on. More bloody puzzle pieces.
Is there a table around to assemble these?
I have no idea. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just collecting random shit. What is this? Found biscuit again. I have no idea. I'm just running in and out of places like, what the hell do I do? Okay, this looks different. What the hell is this game? More puzzle pieces?
This looks important. Better keep it for now.
I'm stumped. I'm genuinely stumped. I do not have a clue. Oh, why did it have to be so dark in here? Nothing, no? Oh, what the hell is this now? What?
One of those balloons isn't like the others. Let's try popping it.
Oh shit, I can hear that thing. I can hear it. Okay, we're just gonna shut this. Shut that. Shut the bloody door. There you go. Make sure it's shut. I heard that wolf thing then. What the bloody hell is this now, eh? Slingshot. So what, I gotta pop balloons? Huh? I don't think I've ever been so confused playing one of these games in all my life. So... Okay. How do I fire the bloody thing? Do I just let go? Yeah, you just let go. Alright. And they just float up when I get near. While I'm looking at that one at the back, there's one white. Because I've just hit an orange one and it did nothing. So, do I have to pop the white one? Oh, this is going to be a while. It's going to take me a while. Did I get it? I ate it. Oh, what's this?
Level 3. Looks like it has special access to important areas.
Oh, okay. So we got an access card. Okay, so we got a level access card. Which is this one. Level 3. Alright. Well, that's something, I suppose. No, it's too dark in there. I'm not going in there. Thing is with these classrooms as well, everything looks the same. There's nothing. Ooh. Oh. More puzzle pieces.
Is there a table around to assemble these?
No. Nothing in there. You coming, doggy? No. Doggy's gone on his travels. Okay, so what's this card for? You just turn this on. Thank you very much. I'm genuinely stumped. I have no idea what I'm doing. Seriously. Everything just looks the same. Have I been here? Has this changed? I have no idea. Anything in here? More puzzle pieces. I'd love to know what these are
Is there
for.
a table around to assemble these?
I really would. I've found so many puzzle pieces. How many do I have now? 64? Oh. Here we go. More puzzle pieces. And biscuit. And another biscuit. What is the point of these biscuits? You just feed them the dog? And then what? What the hell? Speaking of doggies, here you go, mate. You might as well have that. I don't know why, but there you go. It's a biscuit. Why is he yoking? What, you want another one? There you go. There's another one. It's too quiet. Where'd that wolf thing go? Ooh! Oh, here's Scutley. Oh, Joe! No, mate! Why is that thing here? Dog, attack! Just attack it. Oh, okay. Okay, why are you following me? This is creeping me the fuck out. Why is the dog suddenly gone blurred? The dog's the freaking wolf. Oh my god! No! I trusted you! How the hell's it got me? How the hell did that get me? Is it just teleported? Okay, well, we learned something new today. Dogs are not man's best friend.
Is there a table around to assemble these?
Oh my god. What are these puzzle pieces for? I hear that little shit barking. I don't like dogs anymore. What the hell am I doing here? Battery. There you go. I found a battery in a while. More puzzle pieces!
Better keep it for now.
Jesus. Come on, chair.
He's cute.
Yes, it's a dog. It mutates into some weird shit. Like that! Like that! It's going again! It's going again! Run! Run, 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 run! Jesus Christ! Ugh. No! Just run, just run, just run. Anywhere. Anywhere but here. Ugh. Christ almighty. No, mate! What? Why are you... Ugh. Con chair. Where's it gone? Ugh. The hell?
Bad doggy. Bad doggy.
Shit. No! This is impossible! How are you supposed to get away from that freaking dog? Oh my freaking god, man. This game is absolutely mental. Get away, dog! I never thought I'd say that in my life. That I don't want to see a dog. Oh, freaking hell. Okay, well, I've been... Give me that. I've been here.
Around to assemble these?
No, mate! Jesus freaking Christ. I don't like this level. I really don't. Oh my god. Okay, this is new. Oh, he's scuttling. He's scuttling. Why is it coming this way? Oh, I got drums. Oh my god. Get away! I have drums! You creepy little shit! Get away! No, mate! What is it? Oh. What the hell was that? Seriously? I am so freaking confused, man. What the hell? Okay, well, we know what the puzzle pieces are for. I never got to see it, though. You can fuck off!
Table around to assemble these?
Squeaking. Don't care. Okay, so those things with legs, from what I can gather, they follow you around, they make a siren noise, and they just trigger the freaking dog to turn into a goddamn whatever the fuck it is. I don't know. What am I talking about here? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Crap, 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 crap. Oh, he's alerted the fucker. Shit. No! Fucking son of a bitch! Oh my god! And we're back. Oh god, damn it. Oh Jesus, it's a good job I'm not a quitter. It's a good job I never quit. I'd have quit.
Is that
Whoa,
some
back.
kind of special artifact through the window?
What the hell? I haven't been here yet. There you go. Got the key card. The hell is this? Okay, guys, you want to read this? Just pause the video. Okay? So it's a whistle-like instrument. Oh, inventory full. Oh, god damn it. Now what? We're getting rid of the biscuits. We are getting rid of those. Come here.
Dog whistle? What kind of reaction will it get if I use it?
Did I just fuck up? Is that what I've just done? No! Why do you keep stuttering, going? Holy shit! Okay, I just died. Oh. So wherever you blow the whistle, it just runs. Oh, it distracts him. Oh, yes. Oh, no! God damn it! The hell is that now? Get away! Son of a bitch! Mate! I'll throw all the chairs. I'll throw everything. Just run, just run. Okay, I've been here. Been here. Okay. Bloody hell, the trouble with these games as well, it's like every time you die, the layout changes. So it's so hard to find your way around. Okay, just keep running round, keep running round. Oh, kennels! I'm going fucking insane here. Kennels, dog, gramophone with legs, another one! Jesus Christ, man! I'm just gonna sit here. Get me on this roof. Son of a bitch. I'm not moving. I'm just staying here. Look at that thing. I just want to see what this dog whistle does. At least if it comes running, it won't get me. This is my new home now. No. So... it hasn't done anything. Oh, fucking hell! Oh my god, no! I need to find that music place again. Because last time I was there, the dog killed me. And you lay all the puzzle pieces out on the table. But I haven't been able to find it again.
The company ventured into uncharted territory under Alexander's leadership.
No. Ooh, okay. Okay. I think I know where to get away from him. So, no, I do not. Son of a bitch. God damn it. Son of a bitch. I thought I worked that out then. So if he's running at you, you can, like, run to the side and he'll skid past you. But then what? He just gets me anyway. I need to find that music room. What I need to find. That's what all the puzzle pieces are for. Why is every room freaking kennels? Why? What is that? Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, God damn it. This level.
Kind of weird seeing you here.
I have not quit in one of these classrooms and I'm not going to start now. I will do it. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Notice I got them all. E, F, A, B. So, E, F, A, and B. Are you a door opening? Yeah, get me out. It's like this glass is reinforced, so I don't think I can break it myself. Oh. Oh, shit. Have I got to get the dog to smash it? Oh, mate, I've got to attract the dog. Oh, shit.
Puzzle. That's
Okay, here we go, he's coming. He's coming. He's coming. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Run! Okay, get me in, get me in, get me in, get me in, get me in. Fuck you, dog. Get out. Oh my god. Thank you for playing and being part of our early access journey, but the excitement is far from over. Get ready for what's coming next. Try custom mode for an even bigger challenge. Oh man. Look at the background. It's like sporty. It's like a basketball court. Okay then. Whew. Oh man, okay. I'll tell you what, that level was just bloody stressful. Every room that I ran in was exactly the same. I couldn't work it out. I thought that dog was my friend. No, that was the actual entity. I trusted it and it betrayed me. And then gramophone things running around with legs. I'll tell you what, that I did not like those. Tell you that now. Oh man. Such a mental level that was. But we did it. I said I wouldn't quit, and I didn't. I've done it. God damn it. Well, I'm going to leave it there today, people. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, maybe think about subscribing. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later.